Need water?
No, sir, no. Thank
Okay.
you.
ठीक है. चलो tell me something about yourself, बेटा.
So, my name is Brijesh Sonakia. I am 18 years of age. My native place is Hamirpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which
Brajesh,
is,
can
yes, sir.
you speak a little louder?
Yes, sir.
You may go slightly slow.
Yes,
So
sir.
just a bit small tip. Try to go slightly slow in the interview
Okay.
so that you can recollect your thoughts and speak out in a coherent way, right?
Yes, sir.
But speak loudly and clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, as I told you, that my name is Brijesh Sonakia. I am 18 years of age. My native place is Hamirpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Bir Bhumi because most of the population is working in defense services. And so, I have completed my 12th from UP board and scored 87%. In my 10th, I scored 90%. My father, Mr. Manmohan Sonakia, who is a farmer, and my mother, Mrs. Uma Sonakia, who is a homemaker. So, I have, some my hobbies are I love to play cricket, listening to music, and sometimes I play outdoor games. And sir, my strengths are I am a good leader and a responsible person. So my goal is to become a successful merchant navy officer in my future.
Okay. Hmm. So you're a good student. You scored 87% in 12th, again 90% in 10th, right? And
Thank
so your PCM percentage was
85% in 12th.
again good, right? So how come you became interested in merchant navy? I mean, a lot of students go for IIT, NET from UP. You
Yes, sir.
not interested in
So,
that?
no, sir. I respect the profession, which like IIT, but I am more interested in it because my father is a farmer and I come to a middle class family. So I want, and when I was in class 12, that time I wanted to be financially stable at an early age, and I want to help my family. Then I heard about merchant navy from one of my friend because his brother also is in merchant navy. Then I searched it on Google and other social media platforms, and I got interested in it. And the second reason is, so I want to explore the world, and this career gives me an opportunity to travel around the world and fulfill my dreams. And so, with this career, uh, I have opportunity to serve for the country because this career also known as the second line of defense. So, I want to join merchant navy.
Hmm. Okay. So how big of a farmer is your father?
So, my
How much
sorry.
land does he own?
So 4 to 5 acres.
4 to 5 acres. So he's a mid-level farmer, right?
Yes, sir.
So not exactly a small farmer. So 4 to 5 acres is somewhere around how many bigas or square meters?
To 520, 18 bigas something.
Okay, one
One acre,
acre, convert one
something,
acre to square
something.
meters.
1 acre is something. So I don't know in squares, but something 3 bigas, something about.
Okay. And what is biga in square meter or square feet?
Nine in our village is 990 hectares.
990 hectares.
Yes, sir, 1 bigas.
So have you ever really been on fields to help your father?
Yes, so sometimes
Sometimes. What kind of crop does your father grow?
my father grows sugar cane,
Uh-huh.
wheat, barley.
So how many times can you grow sugarcane in a year?
So one time in a year.
And what else will you grow?
Wheat, sir.
So in a year you'll grow one sugarcane crop and
Yes,
then
sir.
one wheat.
One wheat, sometimes barley.
When do you grow wheat?
So wheat in sorry, sir, I can't recall.
So my dear friend, 1 hectare is 10,000 square meter. So 1 hectare will have somewhere around four acres.
Yes. Sorry, sir.
So you said one biga is 900 hectare. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
So when do you grow wheat? What did you say? When do you grow wheat?
Sir, I think in January,
Okay, in the
December
winters.
to January.
Right. Okay. 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 Hmm. Hmm. You say that you are a good leader.
Yes, sir.
So, how come you? So, did you lead your school team,
Yes, sir.
state team, anything
Yes,
you
sir.
did?
So when I am a cricket player in my school team, when I was in class 10, that time there was a cricket tournament in my school. In the final of the tournament, my captain was injured by being hit by the ball in his head, and then I took on the responsibility to handling the captaincy
So, this is just inter school or
in just inter school, sir.
inter school.
Yes, sir.
Do you have certificates for that?
No, sir. I have not, sir.
So it's just hearsay, right?
Yes, sir.
I say I played this, I say I played that. Okay. So why should we choose you?
So please give me this opportunity because of my passion for joining your company and merchant navy, and so my relevant skills and work ethics will make me a committed and a valuable asset to the company.
So I'm still not able to gauge your relevant skills. You said good leader, you don't have any proof of being a good leader. So what are the relevant skills? Or
So
is this
to learn,
you mugged it up, this answer you mugged it up from internet?
no, so I think so. I am not proof. I definitely I regard it, but so many times in my I play cricket in my with my school cricket team, so I think I am a good leader.
Okay. Hmm. What is ozone layer depletion? How can we prevent it? And what is causing ozone layer depletion?
So the causes of ozone layer depletion is our atmosphere.
No, but what is ozone layer
So
depletion?
ozone layer is a part of our atmosphere present in troposphere, other in the lower part of the troposphere. The causes of
So are you sure ozone layer is found in troposphere?
yes, sir. No, sir.
It's not
Sorry,
stratosphere.
sir. In stratosphere, lower
Okay,
part of
just
the
give me chronologically give me different layers of atmosphere.
yes, sir. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
So exosphere is the outermost layer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go ahead with the answer.
Yes, sir. Depletion of ozone layer causes skin cancer, and
We were still on ozone layer.
yes, sir. So ozone layer is made of chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, methane.
Ozone layer is made of chlorofluorocarbons. But just don't be nervous. See, we are going to cross question you,
Yes, sir.
right? So please calm down, relax. I believe you can answer it, right? You are a good student. Have some trust in yourself and have some trust in our process also. ठीक है? Just stay calm and try to answer.
डोंट बी इन हरी है ना आंसर देने के
I already told you go slow.
आराम से स्टार्ट में बोल दिया था सर ने कि आराम से एकदम सोच समझ के ना
Yes, sir.
relax.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
So can you please repeat the answer?
So what is ozone layer? And we say ozone layer is getting depleted. So what is ozone layer depletion? What is causing ozone layer depletion and how can we prevent it?
So the ozone layer is a part of our atmosphere pressure, and it is found in stratosphere. It is a lower part of the stratosphere, and ozone layer depletion is because of uses of
So what is the function of ozone layer, beta?
sorry, sir, function.
Function of ozone layer. So we say that the ozone layer should not be depleted. So what is it doing?
Yes, sir.
Why is it important?
Because we are in this environment, there are many cars and many because of the atmosphere. We are because of the pollution. We are
Okay, you are
spreading
still
in the
not
atmosphere.
getting the question. What is ozone layer? Why is it important? First of all, you need to
So
answer.
it is important because it prevents us to the harmful rays which are coming from the sun, ultraviolet rays which causes cancer, skin cancer for the human.
So it acts as a filter.
Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
work like a filter for us.
Okay. So what is the chemical formula for ozone?
O3, sir.
O3. Okay. Very good. Now go ahead.
Yes, sir. Question. Sorry, sir.
So how is it getting depleted? How can we prevent
Because
that?
of we are spreading pollution by the cars, and there are many.
So pollution is depleting ozone.
Yes, sir.
So pollution contains what? What does it contain? Pollution.
Like,
Sulfur dioxide,
no, so I don't know
nitrous
much about
oxide.
it.
This is what is there in the air pollution mostly.
Yes, sir.
Dust particles, carbon particles, sulfur dioxide, sulfur oxides, nitrous oxides.
Yes, sir.
So this is there in the pollution. So this is causing ozone depletion.
Sir, I don't know much about it.
Okay, tell me. How does the ship remain afloat, whereas ship is made of iron,
Yes,
right?
sir.
The shell is made of iron, and it is such a huge structure. Whereas if you take a steel iron ball, if you put it in the bucket of water, it is going to sink.
So because ship has a large air space in it, and so because of the large air space, volume is increased. Because the volume is increased, then the density is decreased. When the density,
Volume is increased.
yes, sir. Because of the large air space, density of the ship will decrease and volume will increase.
Density will
Decrease,
decrease.
yes, sir. Because density is inversely proportional to the volume,
Okay.
and when the density is less than the water, so it will float until it will sink in the water if the density of the ship is more than density of the water.
Which law is followed over here?
So law of flotation.
So what does it say?
The law of flotation state that the weight of the body, it displays the same amount of water, then it will float
Weight of the body displaces same amount of water, then it will float.
equal to the weight of the body.
I know you. I think you know the answer, but
So the the weight of the displaced water is equal to the weight of the body. It is law of flotation.
what is law of flotation again, please?
The water which is displaced by the body equal to the weight of the body.
So this is law of flotation.
Yes, sir. Then it is the special case.
What is happening when you put something in the water or say
Yes, sir.
any liquid? What is going to happen?
When we put something in the water, then the water displaced equal to the weight of this object which we are float in water.
So what is happening? The
Buoyant force work in upward side. Buoyant force is a force when body is partially or wholly immersed in a water. It is lifted up by a force. That is called
so
buoyant force.
what is that buoyant force equal to?
So buoyant force equal to so for formula, sir.
It's just you can define it. Give me the formula. Anything.
So buoyant force is the force which is applied on a body when body is wholly or partially immersed in a water.
Okay.
It is lifted up by a force.
Okay, but what is it equal to?
It is equal to the weight of the body.
Weight of the body.
Yes, sir. Then it,
Is there any difference between actual weight and apparent weight?
yes, sir. It is difference.
What is the difference?
Actual weight is the body which possessed by the mass, which possessed in not in water, and apparent weight is the weight where difference between the thrust force and its actual weight.
Then now, how you define the law of flotation?
Law of flotation states that the weight of the water displaced is equal to the weight of the body.
So when a body is submerged in, say, for example, water,
Yes, sir.
it will displace some volume of water.
Yes, sir.
Now, if the weight of the volume of water displaced is equal to the weight of the body,
Yes, sir.
simple.
Yes, sir.
Understand this thing. If the weight of the volume of water displaced by the body is equal to the weight of the body, then the body will remain float. And what will the buoyant force be equal to? Weight of the volume of water displaced.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी आपने क्या घुमा फिरा के जलेबी बनाई है ये? कितना सिंपल है ये. हिंदी में अगर तू समझाओगे तो क्या हो रहा है? एक पानी में कुछ डाला आपने, एक लोटा डाला, अब लोटे की वजह से पानी कुछ ऊपर आया, तो कितनी वॉल्यूम ऊपर आया? उसका वेट जो है अगर बॉडी के वेट के बराबर है, जितना पानी वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड है उसका वेट तुम्हारी बॉडी के बराबर है,
यस सर,
तो क्या होगा? बॉडी
फ्लोट करेगी,
फ्लोट करेगी। और बॉडी का वेट ज़्यादा हो गया तो क्या होगा?
इट विल सिंक।
इट विल सिंक। तराजू की तरह है कि नहीं है?
यस सर।
फिर क्या जलेबी बना रहा है इसकी, इधर 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 इधर। ओके, टेल मी व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन?
So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h.
ओके, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म?
Triangular prism. So volume. Sorry sir, I don't know.
टेल मी व्हाट इज sin x minus sin y?
Sin x minus sin y. So sin 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into cos x. 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2.
Okay. Differentiate between isomer and isotopes.
Isomers and isotopes.
Yes.
Sir, isomers are the compound which has same atomic, which has same chemical formula but a different atomic structure, like ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. And isotopes are the elements which has same atomic number but a different atomic mass.
Very good. Example?
For example, carbon 6, the atomic mass of the carbon is 6, and atomic number of carbon is 6 and atomic mass is 12, and another carbon atomic number is 6 and atomic mass is 13 and 14, another carbon.
Okay.
You have scored quite good percentage in your 12th and 10th, and you also have a good scored in your PCM, right? 85%. And you also said that you love to serve the nation, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you choose NDA?
So as I told you before, that I want to join Merchant Navy because I want to help my family at an early age. So I choose Merchant Navy in my profession because my father is a farmer and there are lots of problems financially in my family.
Okay.
And my brother is helping in my studies. So I want to stand up in my foot
Okay.
early.
And your hobbies are playing cricket and music, right? So can you please tell me how the projectile motions
Yes, sir.
apply in cricket?
Projectile motion is applied in cricket. When we hit the ball by the cricket, then it will cover the path, which is parabolic path, and which is the motion is called
Okay.
projectile motion.
So what will be the value of angle if a batsman want to hit a longest
So value
longest
of angle
60?
is 45 degree because the formula of the range is u square sine 2 theta upon g.
Okay, very good. Let's imagine a scenario. A fast bowler is bowling the same batsman and a spinner is also bowling the same batsman. On which condition? And the angle is 45. As you said that for the longest range it will remain 45 degree.
45 degree.
The batsman hit both the bowler, fastest and spinner at the same angle. Then at what situation the ball will cover the longest range?
In faster bowler, sir. If it is
And why it is so?
because we read about the third law of Newton, because which is every action has equal and opposite reaction. If the ball goes faster, then it will go up backside to the faster.
Okay. Can you explain it in the term of projectile?
In projectile,
Is there any relation between the range and velocity like that?
I can't recall.
Okay, very good. Okay. How much picofarad are there in a farad?
Sorry, sir.
How much picofarad are there in a farad?
Picofarad minus 10 to the power minus 10.
10 to the power minus 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Okay, no problem. What is the difference between stress? What is the difference between stress and pressure?
So stress is applied on a body with a coplanar and along with the cross section area, where pressure is a force per unit area on upward force. Pressure is a force per unit area, and it is work on a body when in the contact.
जस्ट ब्रिजेस, जस्ट रिलैक्स. बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हो रहा है ना? रिलैक्स कर पहले,
Yes, sir.
आराम से. What is the difference between stress and pressure?
So stress is work on a body which is in with the coplanar and along with the cross section area, and pressure is not work with the cross section area and coplanar. It is a force per unit area on any body. It is has no direction.
Okay, what is the formula for stress?
Stress, I don't know, sir.
Okay, then how you define that this is the difference between pressure and stress if you don't know the formula for stress?
So I just read it like.
Okay. What is Hooke's law in term of elasticity?
Hooke's law, the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement by the any object which is.
In term of elasticity, I am not asking in term of spring, in term of elasticity.
So in terms of elasticity, Hooke's law. So I can't recall.
Okay, no problem. What is Farad?
Farad, sir. So I don't know.
And what is the unit of capacitor?
So, Farad.
Same thing. If you know the answer, just I am asking the question in reverse direction, you are not able to give the answer. If I am asking direct question, you are able to answer that type of question, right? Okay, no problem.